Today, we're diving into the insides of the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL to see if its camera system lives up to the hype and if the design choices Google made justify the bulk of this device. Credit for this teardown goes to Zack from Everything, who meticulously broke down every detail. First off, getting inside the Pixel 9 Pro XL this year is surprisingly easier. A bit of isopropyl alcohol applied over the back glass panel helps dissolve the adhesive, allowing the back to separate from the aluminum frame with minimal resistance. This technique avoids the need for a razor blade, making the process much safer for the device and the person working on it. The combination of heat, alcohol, and a strong suction cup does most of the work, which is a huge improvement from previous Pixel models. Internally, Pixel 9 Pro XL isn't as visually impressive as its predecessors. The interior, which used to be among the best looking on the market, is now rather bland. A noticeable change is the use of less common T4 screws around the cameras and charging port boards. This decision complicates repairability, making it more challenging than necessary. The phone requires the removal of several screws, 5 around the bottom and 7 at the top, with some hidden under random pieces of black tape. There are also several small brackets throughout the teardown process, making it more complex, though not as bad as what's found in an iPhone. Unfortunately, it seems like Google is taking cues from Apple in the wrong areas. The back glass of the Pixel 9 Pro XL is relatively straightforward, with a metal camera lens protruding through the glass slab. However, nearly none of the screws are the same size, making reassembly a tedious task if the screws aren't carefully organized during disassembly. One wrong move, like a sneeze, could result in a chaotic mess. The 23-watt wireless charging pad inside is wrapped in copper coils, which are uniform in thickness. This contrasts with Samsung's design, where the coils increase in thickness as they expand outward. Moving on to the battery and internals, the Pixel 9 Pro XL has some peculiar design choices. The battery is connected by what can only be described as the world's largest ribbon cable. This ribbon is comically oversized and screws into place, likely to ensure a strong connection with the lower board. It's an unusual choice, but it serves its purpose. Additionally, the SIM card tray is easy to remove, and there's a well-protected microphone hole, ensuring that damage during durability tests is unlikely. However, the battery removal process is where things take a turn for the worse. The Pixel 9 Pro XL features one of the most challenging batteries to remove among mainstream smartphones. The pull tab provided is ineffective, and the glue is incredibly strong, making alcohol the only viable solution for dissolving the heat throughout the phone. But the overall design choices seem to prioritize style over substance. The camera units are modular and clip into place with a main 50-megapixel lens featuring optical image stabilization, OIS. However, the wide-angle camera lacks OIS, and the telephoto lens hides its OIS internally. In conclusion, while the Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts impressive hardware, its repairability is severely lacking. For those who value repairability, this phone is a tough sell. Again, huge thanks to Zack from Everything for providing the detailed insights into this teardown. That's it for today. What are your thoughts on this? Let me know in the comments section. As always, see you in the next video.